Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. This is like a summer makeup look. I'm going to be doing this sunset inspired eyeshadow look. But yes, if you want to find out how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the eyeshadow for today is going to kind of be like a gradient eyeshadow look. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so for the first shade, I'm going to be using this yellow color from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade using my fluffy blending brush to blend it out on my eye. Okay, so now it looks like this. So I'm going to be going in with my next shade, which is going to be this orange shade from the Morphe 35O palette. And I'm going to kind of like do the same thing that I did with the yellow, using it to cover most of my eyelid and also kind of use it as a transition shade. Oh my god, that looks really bad. Okay, so I just finished blending that out, so I'm going to go in with this shade from the same palette. It's kind of like a reddy orange shade, and I'm going to use that to kind of help transition the red and orange together. Okay, so I just blended that out, so I'm going to go back in with the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using the red shade down there, and with that color I'm going to be using it in my crease and on my lid. Okay, so to finish off the eye, I'm going to be going into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to be taking the shade Love Letter and using that on my lid. Okay, so I just went ahead and did the other eye off camera and also applied some mascara. So I'm going to do lashes now. For today's lashes, I'm just going to be using the Chai Marie lashes in the style Princess. They're really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm probably going to do my face makeup off camera too. It's pretty much the same thing I did in the last video. And then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's look. I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. When I was doing the first eye, it wasn't blending out too well, but it looks good now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other videos I have posted in my social medias, which will be in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.